All right. So the next thing a lot of people been coming into the pharmacy for is for a canker sore. So a canker sore is inside the mouth, like it's like the gum area. You have like a lot of pain. It's just is you can get food inside. It's like a little break in the skin in your mouth, and it's a small opening in the mouth, in the gum, not in the gum area, but like in the inner of your lips, in the cheek area. And it's very small, but it can wreak a lot of painful havoc. So a lot of people come into the pharmacy asking for a good product for canker sore. So my favorite product for a canker sore is Canka, and so that is really good for a canker sore. And basically, how do you get a canker sore? I used to get them a lot in college because of the stress. You can get it from stress. I used to have a bad habit of chewing inside of my cheek area with my teeth, of course. And it just, you get a break in the skin and it just would wreak havoc. And the bad thing about it is you have to let it heal on its own. So the Kanka will help with the pain, give it a nice coating while it heals on its own. And the bad thing about it, whenever you have any ailments inside the mouth, because it's a wet area, there's a lot of motion with chewing and swallowing and stuff like that. It does take a little time for it to resolve. So Kanka is really good to help with the pain and while it smooths over and go from there. Before you use the Kanka though, I like to use Oragel mouthwash. And I like it better than like regular mouthwash like Scope or Listerine because it is not as irritating, but it gets the job done. So imagine having like a canker sore inside your cheek or inside your lip area, and then you try to put some Listerine on that. That is going to really burn. So the Oragel is a nice cleanser. And it's important to keep your mouth clean, and it's good to use this Oragel mouthwash because it helps get the debris out, all the food, and just kind of soothe it as well. So it's good for mouth sores. And after you gargle with it and coat the mouth, and then you can use the Kanka to help numb the area. And it should resolve when you use these two items. It should resolve within like a week or so, but it does take a little bit of time. So it's not something that you use the Kanka and it's going to go away like an hour or two. It does take like a good week for the mouth to heal and to get a full resolve. So that's a good product to use if you have a canker sore.